If you want to change your primary domain on Bluehost, this video will walk you through the process step by step. I'm going to show you what to do, what information you need ready, and the important safety step you should never skip before making the change. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple web hosting tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the hosting section. This is where Bluehost shows your hosting accounts and the domains connected to them. Find the hosting account that currently has the primary domain you want to change. Make sure you are looking at the correct account, especially if you manage more than one website or hosting plan. Before doing anything else, back up your website and database first. This is a very important step because changing a primary domain can affect how your site is connected inside Bluehost. A full backup gives you a safety net in case you need to restore files, settings, or content later. If your site uses WordPress, make sure you also have a recent backup of your database media and important site files. Once your backup is complete, the next step is to contact Bluehost Support through live chat. Bluehost handles primary domain changes through support, so you will need to request it directly from their team. When the chat opens, simply tell the agent, "I want to change my primary domain." Keep it clear and direct so they know exactly what you need. After that, be ready to provide a few details. You'll need to give them your current primary domain, your new primary domain, and the last 4 characters of your cPanel password. Having this information ready before you start the chat will make the process much faster and smoother. If you're unsure where to find your cPanel details, check your Bluehost account information or any setup email you received when the hosting account was created. Bluehost may also ask you to confirm that you've read and understood the account rename information. Take a moment to review that carefully. This is important because changing the primary domain may impact site paths, account references, and related settings. Confirming that you understand the change helps prevent surprises later. After you've provided everything, Bluehost Support will process the primary domain change for you. Depending on account conditions and support queue times, this may happen fairly quickly, or may take a little while. Once the change is completed, check your hosting account and website carefully to make sure everything looks correct. Visit your site, test important pages, and confirm that your new primary domain is showing as expected. If your website uses redirects, email accounts, SSL certificates, or WordPress settings tied to the old domain, review those too. Sometimes a domain change means you need to update a few connected settings so everything continues working properly. That's why the backup step is so important. It gives you a fallback if any adjustment is needed. So, to quickly recap, log into Bluehost, go to Hosting, find the correct account, back up your site, contact Bluehost live chat, request the primary domain, new domain, and the last 4 characters of your cPanel password, then confirm the account rename information and let support complete the change. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Bluehost tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.